tomatoes, which I will show you what I've done with mine here in a moment. I use instant non-fat dry milk, or in other words called powdered milk. The reason why I use this is because it's loaded with calcium. Back here on the back of the bag is vitamin D, 15%, calcium is 20%, iron we have none in it, potassium is 8%, vitamin A 15%, and folate 2%. For the sugar content, it is 12 grams. The reason why I pay attention to that is because it goes and feeds some microorganisms in the soil, which help the plants thrive better. So all I do is obviously I fill up my gallon jug with some water. I only give a gallon of this to all my plants in these tires. So this tire has 2 plants in it. Try not to get your powdered milk wet or your funnel. This here I use 1/3 of a cup. So I don't want to overdo it and I don't want to underdo it. Had a clump in there for a minute. I must have got the bottom of this wet. But anyways, I prefer to use warm water, but I'll use what's coming out of the hose. So we're just going to shake this thoroughly for our tomato plants and just dump it on there. I haven't watered in a couple days, so we're good on that. Now I'm going to dump this whole thing on there. And this fertilizing system with the powdered milk, you can do once a week or once every 2 weeks, depending on what you prefer or how much time you have. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to this channel for more upcoming gardening videos, tips, and tricks. And we will be having more outdoors content as soon as our work schedule clears up between him and I. We will be doing more camping videos, foraging, and we are actually going to be doing some stories from people in group of encounters in the woods. Don't miss out on that. Thanks a bunch.